Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Time check, 4:12 na po. Grabe. And today is raining here in UK. Nasa gitna talaga ako ng daan. Grabe, di ba? I'm walking in the center of the main road here in UK because of the rain. And then that's it. Yeah, I did not check. I forgot to check the weather for today. So that's why I'm shocked when I opened the door. Oh, look, it's raining. Ayun. And glad that every bag that I'm using in the morning, in the afternoon, there is an umbrella. So I don't need to worry. And going back again in the third floor. So it's not easy, yeah. And today is Wednesday. Oh, bilis ng araw. Wednesday, so 23. Yeah, 23 today. Ayun, everyone. The weather is raining. Yeah, that's it. So see you later, and let's do the 15 minutes walk and one bus. See you when I see you, everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Happy days always. Ay, update everyone. Dito na kami sa compound ng trabaho ko. So, yan ang aking mga busmate. So, malakas pa rin ang ulan, everyone. And then may hangin pa. So, ayun, everyone. Yan lang. Hindi ako makapag time check sa inyo dahil may hawak akong payong. Ayan. Naku, basa na ang aking paa. Dahil marami ditong laded. Hallelujah. Good morning everyone. Nandito na ako sa aking area. Pero marami akong area kaya mag-start kami muna dito. Tsaka doon sa madilim. So wala pa yung kasama ko. Nag-text siya na he is gonna be late. So that's it everyone. Let us see and wait. Today is not busy because it's just the beginning of the comeback back to reality. So that's it everyone. Good morning. Pauwi na pero umuulan pa rin. Naiwan na yan. Uwi na tayo. Umuulan pa rin everyone. But I've done my new GP registration. It's just around here in the Williston. So, yun lang. Uwi na tayo everyone. At para habang mahina pa ang ulan, Just ulan-ulan din. So, that's it. And that is it. Bye at the moment. See you later, everyone.
Maaga tayo ngayon.
Tayo. 11:44. Time check while watching YouTube vlogger Gab Becerra. Ayan, ang outing. Kain, brunch, or whatever. Basta may mailaman sa tiyan kasi bukas pa ako magluluto, everyone. Dito ako sa kwarto kasi matutulog ako. Kulang ako sa tulog. Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. 3:38. So, ayan. Tawid tayo dito, everyone. Dahil bibirit pa itong mga sasakyan. Alam na, tatawid na ako. So, ito yung pedestrian kasi. Ayan. Malamig naman na ulit ang panahon. Malamig na panahon. Umulan lang kaninang umaga kaya malamig na naman. And then may hangin. So, ayun everyone. See you later after 2 trains and 5 minutes walk. Bye and see you later. See you when I see you. I catch the train, everyone. Up to Pinchley. Time check is 15:44. So, see you everyone later at Pinchley. Already here, everyone. Just arrived. What time? Oh, 4:30. That's good. Hello. Good afternoon. We're going home, everyone. Maliwanag pang langit. Cut. Time to go home.
Why are you taking movie?
Yes.
Why are you taking video?
It's a documentary.
My God. You put this.
Ayan na, everyone. Home base. Yeah, home base now. I'm home base now. Look. Toink. Home base everyone. Late ang uwi namin. Time check. 9 in the evening, everyone. Ang ganda ng langit. Grabe.
Striving for perfection.
9:15, everyone.
For us to hear.
Dinner while joining in
Says, therefore, leaving the
K-group for Wednesday night. And that's it, everyone. Good night. God bless. And I love you all.
from dead works. So we cannot just keep repenting and we still have dead works to doing the same thing. And of faith to forward God.